All right, class, we're gonna go over the box array method, okay? What was the other, what was the method that we did before with multiplication? You guys remember? Do you remember, Royal? The turtle head method, right? So we took a big problem and we turned it into a small problem by doing the turtle head method, right? Because it made us focus on one number at a time, right? This time, we're gonna do a different method of breaking it down, okay? So, what we're gonna do is it's called the box method. We turn these into tens and ones, right? So if I was gonna take 84 and break it into tens and ones, what would be the tens for 84, Tristan? Correct. 80 would be the first one. Now for the ones, what would we turn that into? Correct. With this problem, right? We're doing 84 times 78. Wait. Let's give someone else a chance. Thank you very much. I like how you're eager. Okay, so what would I turn 78 into, Yako? 70 and 8, correct. So we do 70 on the top and 8 on the bottom. Now, once we've broken it down into this, we start multiplying with the two numbers on the edge of the box, right? So these two numbers are on the edge of this box, and then to get this box, we do these two numbers. Then to get this box, this box right here, we do these two numbers, and then we take these two numbers to get this box. I'm going to number them, and I'd like you to number them too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and number them, Paul. Can you also write the problem on the board? And can you also write the two numbers that we have on the side? Now, I have a multiplication, a way to do multiplication where I forget about the zeros until the very end, right? So let's take the two numbers other than 0 and multiply those together. I'm sure all of you guys can answer it, right? What is 8 times 7, Julian? 56 is correct. How many zeros do we have after the numbers? Go ahead, Julian. How many zeros do we have after the number? Ooh. We have 1 here and 1 here, so it's going to be 2, correct. So let's add those 2 zeros. So that's going to go where? Which box is that going to go into, Julian? Good job. So we're going to write that. All right. Who would like to help me with the next one? Let's see. Farah. Oh, you want to do 8 times 4? Okay, you want to do that corner? Sorry, I was going to do a different one, but that's all right. I'm flexible. So let's do 8 times 4. What's 8 times 4?
20.
I like how you're thinking about it. Thank you for being patient with her. She's doing a very good job right now. 30 what? 32 is correct. So we're going to put the 32 in the corner. All right. What box did I put it in? What number box? All right, Tino, would you like to help me with this box?
3.
Okay. 80 times 8. So let's do 8 times 8. And then we'll add the 0 after we're done. What's 8 times 8, Tino?
64.
64. How many zeros do we add?
1.
Correct. Good job. I like it. Okay, so now, what's the last one we have to do, Nathan?
We have to do...
Miss Nathan. Go ahead, you're good. No.
4 times 70.
4 times 70. So what do we do with the 0 at first?
You save it till the end.
Save it till the end. So let's do 7 times 4. What's 7 times 4, Mr. Hayes?
7 times...
Football score. Oh. It's a different football score. I know the number you're going to say. Yes. 28 is the correct answer. Then what do we do with the 0 that we hit?
Put in the 0.
Put in the 0. So we're going to have 280, correct?
Yes. Correct.
Correct. All right. So let's add them all together. Put the biggest number on top. It makes it easier to figure out. Erase a little bit so you can read it. Let's see. So we did 5,600, what's the next biggest number? Anybody? 640, thank you, Tino. We're gonna put 640 right there. What's the next biggest number, Taylor? What's the next biggest number, Taylor? In this box. We already have those two. What's the next biggest? Correct. All right, and then the last number, Paul? 32. All right, let's finish this problem. Now, oh, whoops, I put an X and I meant to put a plus. So, let's figure this out. What's 0 plus 0?
0.
Plus 0?
0.
Plus 2?
2.
Good job. 0 plus 4?
4.
Plus 8?
12.
Good job. Plus 3?
15.
What do we do with the 5?
Put it on the
And then what do I do with the 1?
Put it on the six.
Good job.
12.
Slow down, Paul. I like how eager you are. Okay, so what's 1 plus 6?
7.
Plus 6?
12. 13.
Good job. Way to fix yourself. Plus 2?
15.
Okay, so we're going to put the 5 where?
On the bottom.
And then the 1 up where?
On top.
Good job. What's 5 plus 1?
6.
What's the final answer? Who can help me with, oh, don't shout it out in the van. 6,552. All right. I'm going to give you guys a chance to do this on your own now. I'm going to put the, so make yourself a box. Make yourself a box. When I say make yourself a box, make it with the 4 squares. We're going to try to do it all by ourselves this time. I'm going to put the number on the board, and you guys are going to break it into tens and ones. Okay, so, is everyone ready for the number? Yes, okay. 39 times 42. Break them down. Remember, 1's down here, 10's right here, 10's right here, 1's right here. Go ahead and break it down, Nathan. Go ahead. Good job, Yako. Good job, Julian. Good job, Nevaeh. Oh, break it into 10's and 1's. I'm sorry you're itching, sweetie. Okay, 10's and 1's. Remember, we got 39 and we got 42. Break it into 10's and 1's. Good job. I like how you guys are already figuring out the problem. Excellent job. Excellent job. Once you've broken it down. Has everyone broken it down so far? Oh, no. Do you have the numbers on the outside?
Yes.
Does everyone have those? All right, I'm going to write them up on the board so you guys make sure that you have them correct. And we're going to have 40 and 2. Remember, make this easy. Do 4 times 3, and then add the zeros. Good job, Kristen. Keep it up. Yes, Tino. You got the answer already? Good job. I like it. Overachiever right there. Okay, I'm going to write some of the answers in. It looks like most of you already did 3 times 4 is what?
12.
And then we add what? Correct. All right, what's 9 times 4?
36.
How many zeros do I have?
1.
Good job. 30 times 2?
60.
60. Sorry, I should probably have said 3 times 2 and then add the 0. What's 2 times 9?
18.
18. All right, I'll be right with you, ladies. All right, now we have to add them together. Remember, biggest number on top. We put 1,200. What's the next biggest number, Paul? 360 is correct. What's the next biggest number, Leah? 60 is correct. Then the next biggest number, Aaliyah.
18.
Or Aaliyah. I don't know why I always want to say Aaliyah. All right, add them all together. What's 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8?
8.
Good job. What's 0 plus 6 plus 6